Today we are at Lenwich on 8th Avenue and 56th Street. Thank you so much. Let's go, let's go. Beautiful sunny day in New York City. I'm gonna walk to Central Park. This guy's got all the birds and cats and dogs. Wow. Oh, we got a gladiator. Got everybody outside today. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Cheers. First word that came to my mind is healing. Just heals you. People who live up there probably have never tried the Lenwich chicken Caesar wrap. Maybe they have. I don't know. Overall rating, 9.1 out of 10. That was so good.